Okay, so tech tool that I recently discovered is when you click into a document, I don't know if you've noticed this, but a light blue new floating tool pops up. I just had not used it, but I discovered that this is a good alternative to taking screenshots and uploading the screenshots of kind of notes we've done in class if I want students to be able to access those later. So rather than using this dark blue floating tool, if I use this light blue one, a new toolbar pops up for me. And the benefit to this, you'll see in a minute, is that I can save these changes as a separate PDF. So I can click in, I can pick how big I want my font, I can pick the color, and let's say we're writing notes. So I say like to play, whatever we're doing. And we write those, and then I go, oh, I want to upload this into my Google Classroom. Okay. The other nice thing about this is rather than the screenshots, I can actually scroll to home pages and take more notes. I can write more, and then I can go to a new page, and then I can save all of that, right? Instead of taking quick little screenshots and having a bunch. So whenever I'm done, we finished our notes. Okay, I want to save this. I go up to my upper right hand. On mine, it's in Spanish. Where it says guardar copia. So in yours, it would say like save a copy. I'm going to click that. And then it's going to automatically put me in the folder I was in. If I want to rename this, I can. If I want to switch the folder, I can do that. And then I just click save. And now it is now in my Google Drive that I could just upload that for students.